Introducing VOXL 2, the smallest, smartest Blue UAS Framework AutoPilot at 16 grams. VOXL 2 is powered by the Qualcomm QRB5165 with an 8-core CPU, a 15-TOPS GPU and NPU, an integrated PX4 flight controller running on a dedicated DSP, and up to 7 concurrent imager inputs. Enable smaller, smarter, and safer drones and robots with VOXL 2. With an integrated AI powerhouse and flight controller, VOXL 2 runs more than 5 AI neural networks simultaneously. VOXL 2 helps the smallest, fully autonomous drones take flight. At only 16 grams and less than 10 watts, VOXL 2 is designed with the lowest swap for extreme AI computing. VOXL 2 enables the smartest drones. With clock-synchronized image sensors, VOXL 2 enables GPS-denied autonomy. VOXL 2 is assembled in the USA and NDAA 20 Section 848 compliant. Our Open SDK supports thermal and low-light image sensors. VOXL 2 enables safer navigation with depth mapping for visual obstacle avoidance. Stay connected with popular point-to-point long-range radios, including Microhard and Doodle Labs. And fly further with 4G and 5G for beyond visual line of sight. To learn more about VOXL 2, visit modalai.com/voxel-2.